The things that we saw when we were children were still there.
Go too close.
And it was just becoming much more frightening.
Just like.
I don't think that we're imagining this. There's too many people here have experienced this stuff.
There's gotta be something going on here, right?
Won't last long.
Sit there.
We're trying to figure out why we're seeing these things that we hadn't seen before.
It's too lazy to fight, she lays down.
Uncle Will, that's what I thought. Uncle Will was back. Since Mom had passed away, the one person I knew would know about it would be my Aunt Mary. She was like a second mom.
This is a nice surprise.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I explained to Aunt Mary what had been going on and kind of told her everything that different people have been experiencing.
There's this man. This gaunt man with a mustache. Everyone keeps seeing him. He's in our dreams. I didn't know who else to come to, so.
Dan, would you go get that photo album for me,
Yeah,
please?
sure.
I want to show you some pictures.
She had brought out some pictures to show me.
You remember this one? This one was at the house.
Yeah, I recognize a few of these.
There's your great-great-grandfather, Dennis. And Dennis had two sons. One was Charlie.
And one of the pictures she showed me was Uncle Will.
Is this the man you saw?
It was the person that had chased us off of his property.
That's him.
And Aunt Mary told me that in the early 1900s something bad had happened at the Lonergan farm.
Will was a terrible racist.
An African American that was working on the farm had done something with.
You have ADHD. You're too fat to stand up and fight. What's wrong with you?
Had to get rid of.
Well, leave down and fight, huh?